Hello class, this is Professor Trapani from your first year seminar for business class. Today I'm going to show you how to post a message in discussion board. Since we meet online during the week, we will be having discussions online. Practically every week you'll have at least one discussion in discussion board. So get comfortable with this. First thing you're going to do is once you sign into Blackboard, you'll go to your course. And then once you get into the course, you will see the class. You'll go into weekly modules. You'll see the module, that's module 1. And in the assignment, sometimes it'll say, go to discussion board by clicking the blue button on the left, right? You can do that just by hitting the blue button. Sometimes it'll have a link that'll take you right to discussion board. Nevertheless, you can always hit the blue button and you'll see all the discussions that you're asked to do, okay? So here's the discussion. First discussion I'd like you to do on mindset. You'll read the question, you'll click on the forum, and then to post your message, you'll create a thread, and then again you'll see the question. So if you want to review it, once you do, you'll put in a subject, and then you'll type something here in the box, and then when you are done you will just hit the submit button. Okay, so once you do that, once you hit the submit button, you'll see your name. I posted, obviously, and now what other students, or what you can do in a couple of days, come back, you'll see posts, read other posts, because if it's discussion, we're supposed to read other or give feedback to what other people are saying, right? So I'll reply to this message. I found this interesting because, right? So your discussions should be, a couple of sentences. They should be somewhat in depth, not just very, plain. And then you can hit reply to this message, and then hit submit. Okay, and once you do that, basically it'll show that you posted a message on your own and that you've also replied to another message. So that is how you post a message in discussion board.